All right, y'all, we at the tire shop right now. As y'all can see, look at my tire, bro. If you got a Dodge, you already know. Like, come on, bro. Ain't no way. I just got to work on my hand. Yeah, y'all heard that thing? Crazy. But, yo, my tires, like, just bald on the inside. Like, that's crazy. 315. My boyfriend hit me up. Brand new 315. We got the boat right there. Gonna get ready to. Let me wipe my camera off. Finna get ready to put the bit. Yo, I need a detail. Y'all see that? Oh my god. It has been raining though, but I need to take some time out my day to detail all this stuff, man. Look crazy under here. But I'm getting a brand new tire. You don't see that one look like garbage. But yeah, man, I'm gonna cut y'all boy back on once he Hey, man, what the hell? Copyright! But y'all, as y'all can see, I did get my new tire. I don't know if y'all can see me or not, but if y'all can't, oh well. But I didn't record my tire, like getting put on or whatever. But yeah, I'm sorry about that. So I will show you guys tomorrow how the tire looks. But as of right now, we is in front of Truett's, and I'm off the iPhone 8 right now, so my bad if the camera quality ain't where it's supposed to be. But we got the police right here, and I came through trim, like, I'm talking about, I had it in motherfucker mode, and I'm hitting the downshifts, and we got a police right here. So, Jew, tell me what was that about? I don't know, but I'm hungry, and it's currently 9:30. And I had to catch these folks before they closed, because I was just sitting at home. I'm like, I want some Chick-fil-A. And I seen what time they closed. So I was just like, you know what? I'm gonna just come up here and give me some Chick-fil-A on a cool Friday night, you feel me? But yeah, man, I just want to give y'all a little update. Kind of like a little vlog, because this is life with Jude. It's not just cars, but y'all know it's mainly cars. So, oh, trim. I'm talking about he holding up the whole. Yeah. Make some room for the boat, man. But yeah, I'm gonna turn your boy back on once I get my food and all that. For sure.
Meanwhile, at the Krusty.
You too. What's good with y'all boys, man? I hope y'all having a lovely Saturday. How would you ran a stop sign? Or am I tripping? Y'all seen that? I know them folk supposed to stop right there. Ain't no way. But yeah, I seen how bro was looking. Well, I hope, like I said, hope y'all folk having a lovely Saturday. This video will be uploaded Saturday, the day of, because I don't have any videos in the vault, sadly. So I gotta hurry and push this out for y'all. But she's staring at the car crazy. My car look that good. It ain't even washed up. Novocaine. For a V6 though, I ain't gonna lie, it be getting a lot of attention, bro. And I know it ain't just the lights. Y'all don't know, y'all new to the channel, I got color changing lights on my headlights. And I have extremely dark tint, so nobody can see me while I'm sitting here recording like this. So we good. But I am wrapping. I wouldn't say wrapping it. I'm putting a decal on my car, similar. Y'all see that little boy? Similar to the Hellcats. You know how they be having like the cat on the side? I'm gonna put a picture on the video so y'all know what I'm talking about, but I'm gonna do something similar to that, but it won't be a cat because I do not have a cat, so it's not gonna be a cat. But it is gonna be indeed a come on, man. Be forgetting folks can't see me. But it is gonna be indeed a figure on the side of my car. It's gonna look aggressive, you know. I ain't doing no whatever. Y'all gonna see it when I do it. I don't want to give y'all too many hints because I want y'all to watch the video. But we will be doing that very, very soon. Before I actually wrap it, I do want to do a full wrap on this. But for right now, like I said, I'm gonna just start small with the little decal on the side. I make my own trim, you know. We'll be the first to do it. I don't think I've seen a Charger or Challenger with like a different decal other than the Hellcat or like the Scat Pack B. So I might be wrong. I don't know. I ain't never seen one. If you seen one, you seen one. But I ain't never seen one. So we gonna make our own trim. You feel me? Yeah. But we riding through Atlanta Station right now. That thing y'all seen over there was actually an ice skating rink, which is pretty cool because you can ice skate in this little area right here. I think that's very cool, you know. Oh my God, what happened to Virgil? Light green. Bro, I feel like I was at that light for like 30 minutes. I ain't even gonna lie. Is that a Hellcat? Bro, why are they trying to turn right there? We're folks finna go on the opposite side of the road. Trim! Y'all seen that? I hope I got that on camera. But they was finna turn onto the exit of the highway. Like, what are you doing, bro? You don't know you can't turn right there? It's not even a turning lane right there. I hate stupid drivers, bro. I ain't even gonna lie to you. That's one of my pet peeves, bro. I cannot stand stupid drivers. We gotta make our way over to the left. I can just do that right there. Third gear. He said third gear. That had a race car, NASCAR races. That's how they be. Third gear. We're gonna go into this turn. A lot of G's. Ease on the brakes. Downshift. Exit out. Oh, say he taking a nap. That boy been on the road. He said he taking a nap right here. Stop playing with him. Stop playing with him. The hell is foreign burger? I ain't never heard of that. I don't know why I feel like folk got the urge to speed on this road for some reason. These bumps in Atlanta, bro, be crazy. Like, Like, you can really mess your car up if you hit one of these bumps the wrong way. That's how bad these bumps is down here. Especially, man, I'm trying to tell you, don't come out here with no rims. You're gonna be messed up. You're gonna have to cruise down here the whole way. On these roads. Definitely. I wonder why my rotor make that noise. It's like. Bless me. Type down bless you in the comments, man. Before I was out here walking a dog on this lovely Saturday. My allergies. I should have took some allergy medicine before I left. I don't know why I didn't. I need that burble tune, bro. I'm telling you, when I get that burble tune, bro, these vlogs gonna be so lit. Not vlogs, but like POVs. Oh my God, yeah, I ain't gonna lie, this is gonna be crazy. I'm gonna have to get a GoPro then, strap it to my head so I can hit the downshifts. All you gonna hear is, ooh, y'all gonna love that. Try to tell ya. Hey, now that I think about it, bro, I really do gotta hurry up and get that burble tune, bro. Like, that's gonna be crazy. That's gonna be insane, bro. Yeah, we gotta find a way to do that ASAP. If y'all know anybody that tune V6 chargers, comment down below. You feel me? So I can hurry up and get that burble tune, man. This finna be crazy. This finna be crazy. But nah, where am I going? I don't even know. But I'm gonna try to hit a dealership today. Push out a dealership video for y'all tomorrow. That's gonna be tomorrow on Sunday. And also I'm going to Caffeine and Octane, so that's gonna be on Monday. So y'all fuck got 3 videos in a row, man. So I know I don't really upload like how I used to, cause I just like, I don't be trying to push out like no BS. You feel me? Like, I used to do POVs like back to back to back to back, like all week. Like, I don't want to do that. Like, I want to do a POV here and there. You feel me? Cause I know for right now, like, my POVs ain't really crazy, like, you feel me? Cause it's just a regular car. You feel me? Y'all can't see the outside of the car, so it's like, I gotta bring something different, like a burble tune, you feel me? So, for sure. Bro, who is honking? I hate hearing like people honk near me. I don't know. Damn. Oh, she took off. Pour up a pan, I'm gonna throw up some purple. Yeah. I said throw up some purple. He said pour up some purple. What am I talking about? I don't look like a piece of cheese. Shrimp. Nah, God, please forgive me. I ain't mean that. Are the police? Are they finna pull out? Or they parking? Don't know. Don't care. What is South State? Bro, I be seeing so many buildings out here that I've never seen before. Like, and that's sad because I've been out here my whole life. Like, what is South State? I ain't never seen that before. Oh well. But man, this is gonna end this video. If you liked it, please make sure you like, comment, sub. Like I always say, and we gonna take it easy on these bumps. But like I always say, man, like, comment, sub, and I will catch y'all boys in the next not the next POV, the next video.